Hello everyone! Today we will continue learning sign language. Today our topic is about days of the week. Are you ready? But before we start, we have two vocabulary that we need to remember. First is the word days. So with your D sign, next word week. With your index finger, slide on your palm, open palm. Again, our topic is about days of the week. Let's start. Our first day is Monday and start with letter M. You can use it with your one hand or two hands. Next is letter T, which is for Tuesday. Tuesday. One hand or both hand. Next is Wednesday. So W, one hand and two hands, Wednesday. Next is Thursday. TH. TH. Okay? Next is Friday. So with letter F, use both hands or just one hand. Friday. Next is Saturday. So first sign is S. Another one is SAT. Next, our last day is Sunday. So open palm and just like that. Remember? So again, let's have a review. Days of the week. M for Monday, T for Tuesday, W Wednesday, TH Thursday, F for Friday, S Saturday, or SAT. SAT. And last is Sunday. Sunday. Okay? So just keep on practicing and then you will master it soon. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.